In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently handle broken links on your Squarespace website using the URL redirects feature. Broken links can be not only frustrating for your visitors, but can also impact your site's SEO negatively. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to find and fix those pesky 404 errors using some simple techniques. First, let's address finding those broken links. It can be quite the task, but there are a couple of ways you can go about it. One straightforward approach is to manually navigate through your site, clicking around to spot any 404 error pages that pop up. This approach can be time-consuming, especially with larger sites. For a more efficient method, you can utilize tools like Google Search Console or brokenlinkcheck.com. These tools can scan your entire site for broken links, making the process much quicker and easier. Once you have identified the broken links, you're ready to move to the next step, setting up your redirects. Now we'll need to open the URL redirects panel in Squarespace. Start by logging into your Squarespace account. Once you're in, navigate to the settings menu. From there, head over to Advanced, where you'll find an option labeled URL mappings. This is the panel where you will create your redirects. Let's move on to adding a redirect, which is crucial for pointing broken or outdated links to the correct page. Redirects are formatted like this: old URL, new URL 301. In this case, old URL represents the broken or outdated link, and it's important to note that this should be just the path without the domain. Meanwhile, new URL is the correct page where you want your visitors to end up. The 301 at the end indicates a permanent redirect, which is best for SEO purposes. For example, if you had an outdated blog post at blog old post that you'd like to redirect to a new post at blog new post, you'd enter it exactly as blog old post, blog new post 301. Once you've set up your redirect, it's time to save your changes and test that everything is functioning as intended. Click the Save button in the URL mappings panel. Next, try visiting the old URL in your browser. If the redirect has been correctly set up, you should automatically be forwarded to the new, correct page. Understanding the common uses for redirects can make managing your site more intuitive. Redirects are often used after renaming or deleting pages to ensure outward links still guide visitors to the right place. They're also great for aligning your site structure with any recent updates or revisions. Additionally, implementing redirects can help you catch and correct common typos in URLs that might have been shared elsewhere. And that's it. By following these steps, you can ensure broken links on your site are efficiently redirected, improving both your site's user experience and its SEO performance.